this album. As for today, I have enjoyed this quiz, what we have done. This quiz was very exciting and good. So this quiz tell me about I should learn more and be brilliant in class. Thank you.
My name is Jamie Todu. Today we had a quiz and it was so interesting. And I'm able to answer some questions.
Python is a high-level
Language that allowed us to read simple.
My name is Lazarus Scott and I'm most Student of the Week and I'm grateful. I hope I can do better so that I'll get more awards. Thank you.
My name is Josephine Wood and I am very happy to be selected as the female student of this week. I hope I will be doing well and improving in class so that I will be receiving more rewards. Thank you.
Python is a programming language which is understood by human beings and computers.